Hello guys, welcome to Code. Hope you are doing great. Once again, welcome to React.js complete series. In previous videos, we have discussed about React JSX. Now, in this video, we will discuss about major update that React has released. Let's get started. Previously, for any React official documentation, we were using react.js.org, but not now. Please note, from now on, it will no longer be available for us because React team has launched react.js.dev as a new website for documentation. I request you kindly bookmark the same website react.dev. Now I will show you the major update that React has made. So previously we were using, or if we are doing any search React documentation or React, normally if I do React, it is showing me this react.js.org. By this URL you can say yes, this is the same website we were using. Now if I click on that one, it is redirecting to react.dev. It is because they have updated this website react.js.org completely. Because how I get into that react.js website, if I go and search React component, now if I click on that one, it is taking me to old website, and there you can say this site is no longer be updated. Go to react.dev. On top of that banner you can say, and even in the content as well, these docs are old and wouldn't be updated. So in the content as well, they have mentioned that this content will be the old content and it no longer will be updated. So I can click on react.dev, and once I click on that one, you can see on March 16 2023 they have updated this particular website and made it available for us. Today we are thrilled to launch react.dev as a new home for React and its documentation. In this post we would like to give you the tour of new website. So they have given, okay, this one is kind of blog which they have launched, or which they have introduced us, what is the major update that they have mentioned or they made it into the new website, and why they have moved to new website as compared to the old one. New website, new domain and new homepage. This was the heading of that one, and there's quite much documentation out there along with that one. And I can say from the look and feel, it is much more compiling as compared to the old one, because they have given various examples and the documentation is much more cleaner as compared to the previous one. If you go to the home page, now as per the official documentation or the term what is React, a library for web and native user interface. And along with that one, now they are using most of the time as a functional component. I will give you the brief of functional component in later video, but for now you can say these are the normal functions component which they are using. Other than that, if you go and click on learn tab, they have divided into various sections like installation. After that I can say quick start, describing the UI, and managing state. So they have given you complete, or we can say they have completely divided into different sections, different modules, and they have given you various examples how you can use those how can you those materials, or how you can able to use those content into your website. If you click on reference, now you can see they have given you various hooks in a very detailed way. If I click on use state, Now you can say use state is a hook that let you to add set variable to your component. Now now you can say they have given the use case of use state in very detailed way. They have given you various examples and lot of stuff. So I can say from this new website, okay, and even the documentation as well, they have described in very detailed way as compared to the previous one, because previous documentation or website we were you know facing a lot of difficulties, because now even if you go and scroll down hooks, and now you can see in the hook part they have given you the one example, but how it is working, how it is making effect in your website, and how we can able to reuse or use in a very compiling way. It was lagging somewhere, but now you can able to use it in very detailed way. All the hooks they have mentioned, components they have mentioned, fragment profiler, APIs like create context, lazy memo, start transaction, forward ref. I can say this much more very detailed documentation which they have given us. I can say it's great news for us, uh, and for all the developers which using React as a UI for their website community as well. They have given blogs like on March 16 2023 they have introduced new website. So you can visit this particular website and uh, go to different tabs and menus, and you can able to find much more content which will be used for yours. But now I'm just giving you uh, like basic idea what they have changed. So it's up to you how much you go into deeper to this website and find the useful content for your project. But it's a great news for us that they have given us the various examples. This one, write components with code and markup. They have given example of how we can able to use this one, and lot of stuff they have given. I can say yes, it is much more very detailed documentation which they have given us. So I can say you visit this website react.dev and start using this one, because this will be our official documentation from now on. So you can visit this website, and thank you guys for this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.